Hello friends, welcome back to Famous Education channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos on machine learning like Python deep-face facial attribute analysis. Then we have seen Python image sharpening. Also we have seen Python extract text from image, and our latest video Python converts speech to text and vice versa, text to speech, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go to the Python file. First statement, from FER, import FER. It has a separate module for analysis of facial expression. That's why this is imported. Second statement, import matplotlib.plyplot as PLT. It is used for plotting the graph on x-axis and y-axis in proper manner. That's why this library is used. The next statement, test underscore image 1 underscore 1. It is used for reading the image sachin.jpg. The next statement, emo underscore detector is equal to FER. It is used for capture all the emotions on the image. The next statement, captured emotion is equal to emo detector detect emotion. It is used to print all captured emotion with image. Here it is captured emotion with image, it is printed. Then next statement, plt.imshow bracket test image 1. The imshow function is a plyplot module for matplotlib library used to display data as a image. The next statement, dominant underscore emotion comma emotion score is equal to emotion detector top. It used for emotion function to call dominant emotion in image. Then print dominant emotion and its score. Then plt.show show the image. Now we'll execute the program. Here yes, we will print yes, it is showing the emotions as angry. It is showing the emotions as angry. Okay. Now what I will do, close. Now we'll take another image which is the happy. Yes, next image. Yes, it is showing happy. Yes, it is showing happy. Yes, now next neutral part. Now we will see that yes, it is showing neutral. It is showing neutral. So we have successfully done with FER library emotion recognition from an image, and we have seen different types of emotions, that is angry, then happy, and then neutral. We will back with new videos on machine learning. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.